Hello everyone. Before we starting the tutorial, let's check this inspirational picture from Pinterest. We will make the table centerpiece like this with our material. Okay, now let's starting with the hook stand installation. Okay, completed. To show you how to set up the hook stand and our floral phone in a fast way. If you want to know the detail, check the detail, you can check my old tutorial by click here. Okay, then let's go on by insert the leaf and flowers. Okay, first of all, we need to use our largest leaf. Every leaf will be okay. You don't have to buy the leaf from me. By using our saucepan, put it on the floral foam. Use the largest leaf on the bottom layer. Okay, this is the first layer. Since I don't have so many material on hand, so I just decorate in the front place. The back place are on the procedure are in the same way. The second layer, I will use a smaller leaf we have. You don't have to use any of leaves, it will be okay. The bottom layer, use the largest leaf. The second layer, use the largest leaf, will be okay. Put in the middle of the two leaves. Okay, then on this place you can use, I will use this leaf. Also in the middle of two leaves. Okay, and then you can make it full by other leaf. I will use this leaf. Just use all the leaf you have will be okay. The ink, the purples, just try to make it full with a lot of leaf. Okay, and then we want to cover the floral foam on the top plate. So if you have, you can take several of the small leaf off and use the stem and then put it on the top of the floral foam. But I will use our floral wine. That will be faster and look like nature. This is our floral wine. Very, oh no. Since we want to cover, you can use the largest leaf. Put it like that. So it will cover some of the surface. Use the large leaf to cover the a lot of place of the surface. By using this type of leaf will be better because they will leave some space so that you can insert the flower or other leaf. Don't use this leaf. This will cover all the space. You cannot insert the flower on it. Okay, the next step I will use our lip wine because they are iron wine inside, so I just bend it and put it on the surface. That will be okay. Then you need to put some leaf so the leaf can lock the leaf wine. Use the leaf on the top so it can lock the leaf wine. Okay. The color will be much more nature. And also, we can use this smallest leaf to fill the gap. Put anywhere to make it look full will be okay. Meanwhile, mid-time you can add this leaf also. Just try your best to make it full will be okay. There are no rules, and just follow your mind will be okay. Okay, almost done with the green thing. So I will add some red rose. Our red rose the color is red, a little darker. Just put it in the middle will be okay. In inserting the row, sometimes we need to use longer stem. Bend a little, so the flower head can face up. Would be face up. And I will use this much more longer stem. Okay. Then I will use another red flowers. So our design not just using just one type of the flowers. I will use our flowers and like this. And just take several of them of the small branch, the stem. And then use the soften. And the soften, we can bend it like this. Just find a place to put it. I will change the flower to this place. And so on this procedure, you can keep adding the flower and adjust the place of the flower to make the flower arrangement looks pretty. Okay, then put more leaf to make it much more full, to cover all the space. A lot of people inbox me to ask how many flower, how many leaf I use to make the decoration, but actually it's hard to tell the exactly number because it just follow your mind to make the decoration. But actually I could tell you don't need to make a lot of them. The cost, it will not cost you a lot. Okay, completed with everything. Since I'm not good at the flower arrangement, I think you can make it better than me. So if you satisfied with this design, I think you can make it better, because I'm not a professional. Okay, our ring, since we have the light up LED band, putting the LED band on this place, the come out will be very magic, very fairy. If you want to know the LED band, what I'm talking about, you can click this video. But this time I will decorate with the bubble or our LED light, the light you can find from the market, much more convenient by instead of to replace the LED band. Okay, completely. I read the LED light string line on the hook and tie the bubble with fishing line. Then let's light up. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Let's check the effect. Okay, which one you like? Okay, so I think put some LED light on the bubble. The effect will be much more pretty also. Okay, let's light up the room and check the detail. Okay, I light up the room, and then let's check the detail of our design. Okay, the hook and our flowers. In fact, if you don't like the bubble, you can put two or some LED light on the phone. That will be okay. There's another effect. Okay, look at this. Our rose, the flower string are so beautiful. Maybe the screen, there's color difference when you watch from the screen. This is red color, a little bit dark. Okay, but the flower string, our flower string are very beautiful. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.